sensibility, and practicality define the 2008 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck provides exceptional value. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 4-liter six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a rear step bumper, and more. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, brake assist, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.